Reports of the passing away of High Court Judge David Majanja were received with shock, a cloud of mourning covering the judiciary, his family and friends. Led by Chief Justice Martha Koome, officials in the judiciary have mourned Judge Majanja, who at the time of his demise was serving at the Milimani Law Courts. Majanja, who was appointed as a High Court judge in 2011, had previously served at Homa Bay Law Courts, Migori, Kisumu and the Kisii High Court.
We have been privileged to witness his intense passion for the rule of law, for administering justice to all without fear and favor.
In his statement, President William Ruto mourned the late Judge Majanja as a courageous person who was dependable in the delivery of justice on different matters.
In 2012, where he held that the mandatory 30 days notice of intention to sue the government is a violation of the right to access to justice and amounts to unjustified limitation of a right within a democratic society.
The Law Society of Kenya, who had been working closely with the late Majanja, termed him as a person who was keen to follow justice as a principle of his work.
Majanja was, in fact, the first judge in the division to deal with interpretation of constitutionalism, the rule of law, and upholding the human rights.
He has done his job with a great passion, with a great humility, with the principles espoused for the service of delivery under the Kenyan Constitution. We mourn him, and that is the reason as to why Justice Majanja is being mourned by almost every stakeholder in the justice system.
The judiciary has said plans are underway for a memorial service as preparations to lay the late Majanja to rest have already started.
We will keep the public informed of the planned funeral arrangements so that we can provide friends, family, relatives an opportunity to wish and pay their last respects to our departed judge.
Alan Owino, K24.